Hi, kids. Today, you will learn about the Florist. The Florist is where you can find lots of colorful and pretty flowers. Let's explore some of the amazing flowers you might see at the Florist. Tulip. T-U-L-I-P. Tulip. Dahlia. D-A-H-L-I-A. Dahlia. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D. Orchid. Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Fuchsia. F-U-C-H-S-I-A. Fuchsia. Spider lily. S-P-I-D-E-R-L-I-L-Y. Spider lily. Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. Primrose. P-R-I-M-R-O-S-E. Primrose. Gladioli. G-L-A-D-I-O-L-I. Gladioli. Carnation. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-O-N. Carnation. It's a fun and beautiful place where every flower tells a story. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.